Hello everyone. So I just received my first wild hair kit. So wild hair, I'm like so curious to see what this is like because they actually curate your kit for you. So you give them your specifications and they curate it and they ship it to you. I've not done this before, but I am excited to see what's in here. So this is for Project Life, right? So I told them, I was doing monthly Project Life, and that even though it's February, I was starting with January, and that, what else did I tell them? Oh, that I did not want alphas because I have enough alphas. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, and that I wasn't doing, regular scrapbooking, that it was strictly Project Life. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Okay, all right, so I guess I have to cut this because I don't see a way from, oh, there it is. Now I see it. Now I see it. Okay. Let's see what we have here. All right, and I forget what I paid. I think I paid $15, $16. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, beautiful. How was that? This is beautiful. So pink paisley again and again. Oh my gosh. And I said, oh, they do these things where, you can pick colors, so they like do color, like sets of colors, and they say, well, which of these colors, like, what do you like? And well, of course I did pink, but this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Very nice. So, okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. Awesomeness. All right. So I have that. And I always, I always love a good enamel dot. And I think I even put on there that, like, they say, what is a must have? And for me, it is enamel dots. And this is Pink Fresh Studio. Look at all those enamel dots. That's a lot of enamel dots for one package, right? Usually, isn't it more like half of that? That's nice. Beautiful. All right. So, and Jen Hadfield. And this is Phrase Ephemera. Oh, pretty, pretty. Pretty. I'm just going to hold it up. I'll leave it there for a second. I can't get too close, otherwise it gets blurry. But super pretty. So I really like that even though these are two totally different companies, the colors, like there's gold in this, there's gold here with the pink. I like it a lot. All right. Oh, and a little thank you card. Oh, isn't that nice? Okay. And then let's see what we have here. Oh, this must be my order form. So, oh, I paid $19.95. This is the petite kit. There's two sizes. There's this size and then a larger size. So I got the smaller size for two reasons. One, because, well, I'm only going to do a monthly Project Life, right, spread, so I didn't need a tremendous amount of cards and stuff. And because I wanted to see, right, because I've never ordered from them before. So, oh, and she wrote here, we hope you love your first kit, Susan. We made sure to add some pinks and florals to your kit with other colors as well. We also added some of your favorites like enamel dots, ephemera, and phrase stickers. Unfortunately, we have no roller month stamp in stock. Aww, that's so cute. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So Jen Hadfield again, and it's from This Is Family Collection. And beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Was this memories last longer than a clean house? Life is a picnic with you. Oh, gosh. These are beautiful. Beautiful. And I think I recently saw somebody do something with this. Who did I see do something with that piece of paper? Was it from Scraptastic, their video, I think? Oh, so super pretty. Look at that. So this is One Canoe 2, American Crafts, Willow, Flourish. I mean, there's so many names on here. I don't even know like where to begin. But super pretty. Got my pinks in there. Oh, that beautiful mustard color. So look at how pretty like this card and this matches. You know what? I don't know why I'm fighting with these paintbrushes. I should just move them out of the way. Okay, super pretty, super pretty. And then I have the pink paisley again and again. So that is this. So this goes with this, same collection. And I just love that pink, and that looks like it's a beautiful navy blue. Super pretty. Okay. And Jen Hadfield, this is Family. So this is the same collection as this one. Sorry, oh, no, not that one, this one. So these are the same collection. These right here, same collection, right? So this is Family by Jen Hadfield. Look how cute. You know, I've seen people using this too. Interesting. And the back. Oh, look at their dice. Oh, how stinking cute is that? Oh my gosh. And then, so I have two more 12 by 12s, it looks like. Oh, I got a second one of that. So let's see. So I have that. Oh, no. Sorry. You know, I need to be more organized. I need to be more organized. Okay. And then the last piece of 12 by 12 is a Heidi swap, Honey and Spice, and it's gorgeous. Can I just say gorgeous? Oh my gosh, even the back, just it's a light pink, like wash. Wow. Okay, so my opinion of the kit is this, and I will give you my honest opinion. I'll tell you what I like and what I don't like. I don't necessarily want 12 by 12 papers. I don't really want them. With that being said, I think that they're pretty and they selected, you know, exactly my style. I don't have a problem with that. I love this card, this 12 by 12 with all these cards. I love the enamel dots. I love the ephemera, and I love the stickers. So I'm really happy with it, except for the 12 by 12s, because I'm not doing scrapbooking. I'm doing Project Life. I don't know. Is it me? Guys, let me know. Am I like being too hard? Let me know. Please comment. And I don't know. So, but I like it. I would definitely order from them again. But I think I would be more specific and say, you know, no 12 by 12 papers. Which you can do that. You can tell them what you don't want, right? Like I said, no alphas. I got no alphas. Perfect. Exactly right. The colors are right. It is a beautiful kit. It's just, I don't think I'll use the 12 by 12s. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. So this was $20 plus shipping. Let me know. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.